What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a minute since I posted, but I just wanted to show you guys of my Ram fam, my latest update, which is my LED brake lights and third brake light. For those of you who give a fuck, and those of you of the Ram fam, this is what they look like. Flashers, LED lights when you open the doors, and I'll give you guys a view of what it looked like at night here shortly. And here they are at night. Cargo lights are a lot brighter than LED. Oh yeah, forgot to mention my other upgrade, which is my other LED lights. They ran off the remote. Sorry about the shake and bake, guys. Oh, I'm about to drop my shit, but you get the drift. Some park lights, Tom. Park lights. There we go, guys. All my Ram fam, guys. Just keeping you posted. We got a couple more days coming pretty soon. Been busy with work, so it might be sooner, might be later, you never know, but either way it goes, I'll hit you up with my next update when I update. Peace out.